Working in confined spaces can result in severe injury or death.
Oxygen deficiency is a primary confined space hazard. Asphyxiation due to low oxygen levels is a primary risk in confined spaces. This occurs when the air contains less than 19.5. Only this oxygen range is considered safe.
Below 16% oxygen is IDLH.
Below 12% oxygen can cause coma.
Below 6% oxygen causes death.
Always test oxygen before entry.
Toxic gases may be present. Hazard detected. Seek shelter.
Toxic gases affect respiratory and neurological systems.
We need immediate support. He's unresponsive.
Clear the patient now. Stand clear.
Let's look at the most common refinery toxic gases, HS and CO.
Atmospheric testing is mandatory.
Flammable gases can ignite.
Hot work generates ignition sources.
Hot work only allowed below 1%. Inert gases displace oxygen.
Slips and falls are frequent hazards. Multiple hazards can combine.
Another successful entry, thanks to proper planning.
Hazard control really does save lives.